Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we are going to take a look at the last leg of the Maypen to Mandeville highway. Now that leg is the Melrose Hill bypass. Now the highway, which is where we're driving on now, comes back out to merge with the Melrose Hill bypass, which is going to be a part of the highway. The highway actually ends in Williamsfield, and that is where the Melrose Hill bypass also ends. So the road is going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass. So the Melrose Hill bypass will be no more, it will be a part of Highway 2000. So right here is where the new road that was built is going to intersect or with the Melrose Hill bypass. Now the bypass is being upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes to facilitate the highway, because the highway is a 4-lane dual carriageway running all the way from Kingston to Williamsfield. Alright, so we're going back out onto the bypass now. Okay, so all of this is going to be part of Highway 2000. It's still open to vehicular traffic in one direction because they're still working on it. So if you're coming from Porus heading to Williamsfield, you can use the road in that direction. But if you're going from Williamsfield to Porus, you have to go on to the Melrose. You have to go over Melrose Hill basically. So let's take a look to see what's going on with the construction on this section of Highway 2000. Remember, this road is being upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, and even then you still have to rehabilitate the existing 2 lanes because they're nowhere near to highway quality. There you can see a lot of work going on over there. Okay, so here you can see the highway being sorted out on the left hand side now. And then here's the new road being done on the right side of the road now. Remember, it's going to be 4 lanes with the concrete barricade. Now, a similar thing was done when the Highway 2000 was being built by Old Harbor. They were building the Old Harbor bypass and they incorporated the highway into that road. And it's the same thing they're doing now. So you're going to no longer have this road to drive on, because it's now going to be part of the toll road or Highway 2000. So what do you guys think of that? Because this road was used a lot, the Melrose Hill bypass, and without any consultation, because most persons were asking, where is the highway going to end? A lot of people didn't know where, and I don't think a lot of people knew the highway was going to take up the Melrose Hill bypass. I don't think people realize they have to go back and use Melrose Hill instead of the bypass. I mean, I don't know if that was communicated effectively to persons that use this road. But let's see what happens. It's all good if you're going to build a highway and you build a new road, but when you build a highway and use the existing road and persons can no longer have access to the existing road, that's a different story. And then the highway is a toll road, so you have to pay to use the highway. Alright, so this is where the highway is going to end when we come up to the Williamsfield roundabout. Alright guys, this is it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.